today with me, Miss Miranda. Welcome back to class, everyone. And if you all remember from before, we are learning about matter because matter really matters. Matter is really important. Let's just do a quick warm-up. Go ahead and circle for me the gas in this picture. Which matter is a gas? Nice. First one out is Susie Thomas. Very good. Excellent job, everyone. All right. Yes, and the air above the water. Good. Good job, Tom, over here. All right. Now go ahead and circle for me the solids in this picture. Excellent job on the solids, guys. You got the car as well.
Miss Miranda, now I can draw.
Good. That's good that you can draw. All right, and lastly, go ahead and circle the liquids. Where are the liquids in this picture? Very nice. Tom, very good. All right, does anyone know why matter really matters? Why is matter important? Anyone have? It's just an opinion, no right or wrong answer. Robert, why is matter important?
Because if there is not matter, we will not be alive.
Yeah, exactly. Nice job, Robert. You're right. If there's no matter, we would not be alive. There would be nothing would be alive, right? There would be no earth, no universe, nothing.
Welcome back to online learning again for the fourth time, I think. Hopefully the last time. How to use Zoom? Raise your hand. Everyone please. Raise your hand using the button on Zoom. Look on your computer, look on your iPad and click the button. Everyone. Raise your hand and keep it raised. And this is Alex, Ben, Dragon, Potato, Carrie, Lily. Raise your hand. Ryan, Robert, Thomas. Raise your hand using the button on Zoom.
these are our goals for today. All right, let's see. Dragon, would you like to read number 1?
Review matter and property of matter that you learn in your dimension book.
Very good. Okay, so first part's just review about matter, about properties of matter that we've already read in your dimensions book 2 weeks ago. And number 2, Alex, go ahead and read number 2.
Find objects in our houses with different properties and compare them.
Excellent. So we'll find objects, find things in our houses with different properties and compare them. How are they the same? How are they different? So number 1 was review your dimensions reading. Let's do that now. Who can label these 3 pictures? Kat. Kat, can you label these 3 pictures?
They are blue.
They are blue. That is a property. But can you label what these 3 different pictures are? Do you know what these 3 pictures are showing?
The first picture is showing a cloud. The second picture is showing a cup filled with water. And the last picture is showing ice.
Excellent. Very good, Kat. So we have a cloud. We have a cup full of water. And then we have ice. These are 3 different types of water. They're all water, but they are different. How are they different? What are the names of these 3 things? What's the name of the cloud? What type of water is it? Let's hear from Tom. Go ahead, Tom.
The cloud is gas. And the cup with water is a liquid.
Very good.
And the ice is the solid.
Nice work. All right, Kat and Tom working together nicely. Amazing job, you two. Gas, liquid, solid. Any questions about this so far? Okay. Slightly harder question. What are these 3 things called? Solid, liquid, and gas. These 3 things are the what? Susie, what do you think?
I think 3 things matter.
They are matter, but there's another word that goes before that. Something of matter. Think about it. Who thinks they have another guess? Potato?
State of matter.
Nice work. Good job, Potato. Yes, they are the states of matter. Everyone repeat after me. There are 3 states of matter.
There are 3 states of matter.
Excellent. So our 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, everyone, take a quick look at these. Try and think what might go in those 2 blanks. Lily and Ang. Go ahead and read number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Matter is anything that takes up space.
Excellent job, you two. Matters, anything that takes up space. And the number, let's look at number 2. Number 2, let's have some boys do our reading for us. How about Tiger and Nick? Tiger and Nick. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A property is part of what something like. A property is a part of what something is like.
Very good. Okay, there we go. Nice work, Tiger and Nick. Thank you so much. So, what words can you use to talk about what something is like? How can we describe objects? Who can list some properties. Who can give me a property? Hands up. What are some properties we can use to talk about what something is like? Let's get one from Jack. Jack, can you tell me one property?
Shape.
Shape, nice. Is it flat? Does it have flat surfaces? Does it have round surfaces? Is it a rectangle? More, right? So many different ways to talk about shape. Nice one, Jack. Okay, next, how about Leo? Leo, can you give me another property?
Hardness.
Hardness, very good. What words do we use for hardness? Potato?
Hardness.
Yeah, what word can we use to talk about hardness? What word?
Soft.
Very good. Those two are great. Start. Is it hard? Is it soft? All right, what's another property? More. Who's got another one? Thomas?
Flexibility.
Nice. Flexibility. What words do we use for flexibility, Thomas?
Bend and stiff.
Bendy, stiff. Good. And instead of bendy, you can even say flexible. We all know pony's very flexible. Flexibility, bendy, stiff, flexible. Who can give me another property? Let's see, Casper. Casper, can you think of another property? So far we have shape, hardness, flexibility. Can you think of another one, Casper? What else can you use to describe what something looks like or feels like or smells like?
Texture.
Texture. Nice job, Casper. And what words can we use to talk about texture? Do you remember any?
Rough.
Very good. Anyone have another word for texture? Leo?
Smooth.
Excellent. Do you remember any other ones, Leo? These were the main ones that we learned about, but there was one more when we learned about the teddy bear. That was fuzzy, right? Like when you pet your dog or your cat, their texture might be fuzzy. All right, any other properties? Any other properties? There's still a few more. Nick, go ahead, Nick.
One more texture.
Oh, one more texture, go ahead.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Cloudy might be more like, because clouds look maybe puffy. Puffy might be the word for that. Puffy. That's a good idea though, Nick. Let's see, some other might be color. Another one could be size. Any others? All right, nice work, guys. You're gonna have to talk about objects' properties later. So I'll give you 20 seconds. You don't need to unmute, but for 20 seconds, I want you to read all of these words so that you can use them later in class. Go ahead, 20 seconds to read all these words.
Very good. I see potato reading. I should see everyone reading. Good job, Susie. Thomas, good. Mia, good. I should see your mouth moving. Good job, Ryan. Color, size, texture, rough, smooth, puffy, fuzzy.
Okay. Everyone, thumbs up if you feel good about these words. Thumbs down if you still think they're a bit difficult, if they're a little hard. Up if you feel good. Down if they're a little hard. Lion, do you have a question about any of these words? Robert, do you have a question about any of these words?
What is flexibility?
Flexibility. Okay, your question's about flexibility. Let's just take a quick look back in your dimensions book. Let me open it up quickly. Lion, go ahead and read about flexibility for us. Right here is how.
Flexibility is how much material can bend. It is easy to bend the technique.
I think we looked that word up. I think it was chenille, right?
When you stick, they are flexibility.
Oh, does that say ility at the end? What does that word say, Lion?
New,
Flexible.
flexible. It is not easy to bend the card
Correct.
crack sticks. They are stiff.
Very good. So flexibility is how much it can bend. All right, this water bottle here that I have is not flexible. I can't bend it. So it is stiff. This piece of paper, I can bend it really easily. So this is flexible or bendy. So flexible. Does that make sense, Lion?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else have any other questions? Okay. Nice. Good job. I knew you guys would do amazing, so I put this slide in. Good job, everybody. Let's do some quick matching. Now, I know some of these are more than one, but I want you to think back to your dimensions book here. All right? They each have a specific one. Let's see if you can remember which picture goes with which property. Go ahead and draw. Which picture goes with which property? Oh, you guys are doing great. Very good. Everyone's drawing. Okay. Let's take a look. I'll draw where I see the lines going. I see one of them has going 2 places. Quite a few of them are going 2 places. Okay, let's take a look. This is where I see the lines. Number 1, I'll change the color to red. These ones you guys got correct. Hardness. Good job. Yay. Green, green, green. Number 2, this one is shape. You got this correct. Good job. Third one, you guys put shape and color, but look, are they the same shape or different shapes? They're the same shape, so this is gonna go to color. 1 stamp because you got one of them right. I'll put the stamp on this yellow line. And this one, you put hardness and texture, but they're both rocks. They're both very hard. They might have different hardness, but this picture is for texture. Everyone, please circle the rough rock. Circle the rough rock. Nice. Very good. So this one is texture. And flexibility, very good. You guys got flexibility correct. Any questions? Okay. Next, please take out your science notebook or a piece of paper, any paper you have near you. Notebook, paper, computer paper, whatever's close to you. Go ahead and take that out. And draw one thing you can make with these 6 shapes. Go ahead and draw something you could make with these 6 shapes. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. All right, I think that's about 2 minutes anyways, so let's move on. I want to see what you guys made. So go ahead and hold your drawings up for me. Let's see them. Who wants to share? Hold it up. Okay, let's look at John's. Everyone take a look at John's. John, hold it up to the camera. There we go. Oh, that looks cool. John, is that a bird? That looks really cool, John. Who else would like to share? Hold it up, hold it up. All right, Perry, let's take a look at Perry's. Nice. Perry, what is that one?
I don't know.
You don't know? It looks cool. That's a nice shape. You put those together nicely. All right, Lion, do you want to show yours, Lion? Hold it up to the camera.
Hello, Miss Miranda.
Oh, we can't see it, Lion, because your background, it's going in with the palm trees and the waves. Let's look at Nick's while we wait. I'll come back to you, Lion. Nick, go ahead. Ooh.
Yes, a boat.
A boat. That's awesome, Nick. And I see you have your window down there with the hex
Miss Miranda.
on. Nice. Who else would like to show? Jack, let's take a look at Jack's. Nice. Okay, good job putting all those shapes together. Who else? Hold it up, hold it up. Lion, go ahead and show us yours now. Oh, did you make a lamp?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Anyone else want to show? Potato, go ahead and hold yours up for the camera. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Are those 2D shapes or 3D shapes?
Can I do 2D shape?
Okay, nice. Let's compare your ideas. Remember, we can use the same materials to make different objects. So, how are your drawings the same? Go ahead and raise your hand using the button on Zoom if you have an idea. How are your drawings the same? Lion, go ahead, Lion.
It is the same like a lamp.
Say again.
It is the same as a lamp.
I see. So your drawing was the same as a lamp. Yes. But what I mean by my question is, how was your drawing the same as other drawings? I want to compare all your drawings and ideas. So how are all of your drawings the same? I see Lion has a new answer. Anyone else? Tom?
We use the same shape.
Excellent.
Make another big shape.
Excellent. All of you use the same shapes to make another big shape. Tom, that's a great answer. How are they different? Who can tell me how they're different? Lily, how do you think they're different? All the drawings we just saw.
Like it's a lamp. So it's
Just another shape, right?
yes.
Yeah, very good. So they made different things with the same shapes. Anyone else have anything to say about how the drawings were the same or different? Lion?
The difference is not the same thing.
Excellent. You're making different things. Yes. Very good job, Leo. Or sorry, very good job, Lion. Sorry, Lion. Okay, nice job, everyone. Now you're going to share your knowledge. I want to see if you can use what you learned. We're going to find objects in our houses with different properties and compare them. For example, what are the properties of this chair? Can you describe this chair? Who can give me a property of this chair? Robert, tell me one property of this chair.
Hard.
It's hard. Please remember to use complete sentences. Okay, Robert, complete sentences. Jack, give me another property of this chair.
It is bright and smooth.
Okay. It's hard. It's smooth. Susie, give me another one.
It's stiff.
It's stiff. Nice. Hard, smooth, stiff. Raise your hand if you have another one in your video. I'm looking at your video so I can see. It's smooth. What else? Thomas?
It's brown.
It's brown. Very good. Let's talk about shape. We still have shape. We still have size. Toy Anh?
I can see the shape is square.
Excellent. And Toy Anh, do squares have flat surfaces or round surfaces?
Flat.
Full sentence. Squares?
Square has flat surface.
Good. Squares have flat surfaces. Very nice. All right. Very nice work. So now I want you guys to find an object around you. Who can find some matter around you and tell me about it? Go ahead and pick something. I want to know, what are the properties of this object? We'll skip that one. Let's just do the first one today. What are the properties? That's all I want to know. Who haven't we heard from in a while? Alex, we haven't heard from you too much today. Alex, find something next to you and tell me its properties. Okay, your pen. Go ahead and tell me 3 properties of your pen.
The top is rough and the bottom is smooth. It is long and it has a color purple.
Excellent. What about its flexibility?
It is stiff.
Very nice, Alex. Great work. Who else would like to go? Kat? Kat, go ahead and share. Go ahead and share the properties of that book.
It is white and it is rectangle.
Rectangular prism. Can you say it's a rectangular prism?
It's a rectangle prism.
Does that have flat surfaces or curved surfaces?
Flat surface.
Very nice. Let's have one more. Perry. Perry, can you find something around you and tell us about it?
Book.
Okay.
A book is bend.
Bendy.
Bendy. The book is white.
Have hardness, texture, shape.
Is long.
Long. Okay, what's the texture of your book, Perry? Is it smooth? Is it rough?
Smooth.
It's full sentence. The texture.
The texture of the book is smooth.
Excellent. Very good job, everyone. So this is pretty much, that will be your homework. I'll explain that in one second. Summary. Today we learned, everyone unmute and read number 1. Today we learned.
The property
Excellent. Properties. Very good job. Let's have Mia read number 2. Mia, go ahead and read number 2.
Different objects are made of different types of material.
Of what's this last word?
Matter.
Matter. Very good. And different types of matter have different properties. So this is your homework. Pick 3 different matters in your house. For example, plastic. I don't want to pick 2 things that are plastic. So 3 different types. For example, here is a plastic cup. This would be one of my 3 things, this plastic cup. Then describe the properties of that matter in as much detail as possible. This is a writing assignment. So you will write, the plastic cup is hard. It is stiff. It has one round surface and
Question.
one second. One round surface and one flat surface. It is green on the outside and white on the inside. Those are the properties of my cup. Okay, so you'll do that 3 times for 3 different types of matter in your house. They could be solids, liquids, gases, wood, glass, metal, okay? Go ahead, what is your question?
Do we need to write in the homework diary?
No, you don't need to write it in your homework diary. It's okay. All right, Miss Hun and I will give Class Dojo points for your homework, of course. All right then, that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Have a great Monday.
Goodbye. Bye.